If you start today, you're gonna have benefits in the future. Doesn't matter the time. I like to drink. I like to eat burger. Okay, you're gonna pay the bill in the future.
Right.
I think the most important is to find the balance. Sometimes I can eat a burger or chips. Well, it doesn't matter. And it's important too for your mind too. Sometimes I sleep 2 o'clock in the morning because last night I was in UFC here in Saudi and the main event it's 2 o'clock. Yes, it's quality of life too. But the most important thing it's the consistency. If you have consistency, you're gonna be good in the future, or you're gonna be better than other ones in the future. If you are not consistent more than other ones, if you don't do add something more than other ones, you're never gonna be number one like me. I'm joking.